Alright guys, our Mr. Brian, he's got a pick one retro here, pick one of these four. We got 12 spots, here's our list. We're going to go live, 8:28 a.m. January 27th. We will type live. We are live. 8:28 a.m. 8:28 a.m. We are going to grab our list. 12 spots. We will drop that into random. 12 entries. Timmy on the bottom, Timmy on top. Roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 9. We're going 9 times. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 times. Dice shows a 9. Next click wins. Good luck. And 9. Congrats to Brian. Spot number 2. You are the winner. Get in touch with Brian. Pick your bobblehead. We are done. 8:29 a.m. We'll go back to the post. We will type done. We are done. 8:29 a.m. 8:29 a.m. Here is our timestamp and the verification code.